Today, this is a French video lesson for beginners and we continue our exploration of the three groups with the passé composé coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. All right. So first, a little note about the passé composé. It is composed of first, the auxiliary, and second, the past participle, participe passé. So you have two words. The first one, the auxiliary. This auxiliary can be either to have, avoir, or to be, être. Very important. This auxiliary is conjugated in the present tense and together with the passé composé, with the participe passé, together with the participe passé, you get the passé composé. All right? I'm going to repeat. Passé composé is made of two things. First, the auxiliary. Second, the participe passé. The auxiliary is to be or to have. Of course, if it is to be, the participe passé is going to be different according to the gender and the number of the subject, my friend. The first verb is to sing, chanter, and it belongs to the first group. You can know that when you look at the ending er, it means it belongs to the first, the most numerous and the easiest group, the first group, le premier groupe. Chanter in the passé composé tense. J'ai chanté. Tu as chanté. Il a chanté. Nous avons chanté. Vous avez chanté. Ils ont chanté. So notice here, my friend, that because the auxiliary is to have, the past participle, the participe passé, is always the same. Encore une fois, another time. J'ai chanté, tu as chanté, il a chanté, nous avons chanté, vous avez chanté, ils ont chanté. Now say it with me, my friend. Let's go together, ensemble. J'ai chanté, tu as chanté, il a chanté. Nous avons chanté, vous avez chanté, ils ont chanté. Excellent! Now we go to the second group with a pronominal verb se nourrir. So you have se in front of the verb. It means to feed oneself. For instance, I feed myself with healthy food. Je me nourris avec des aliments sains. Okay, so se nourrir. Very careful here because the auxiliary is going to be être, to be. The participe passé is going to be different whether it is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. Let's see that together, my friend. Je me suis nourri. Tu t'es nourri. Il s'est nourri. Nous nous sommes nourris. Vous vous êtes nourris. Ils se sont nourris. Encore une fois, once again. Je me suis nourri. If you are a woman, you add an I at nourri. Tu t'es nourri. If you are talking to a woman, you add an I at the end. Il s'est nourri. Elle s'est nourrie has an I at the end. Nous nous sommes nourris. Notice the S at the end of the participe passé. If nous means a group of women, nourri at the end will have an I for the feminine and an S for the plural. Vous vous êtes nourris. Notice the S. Again, if you are talking to a group of women only, you add an I just before the S. Ils se sont nourris. And elles se sont nourries has an I before the S. Now together, repeat with me. ensemble. Je me suis nourri. Tu t'es nourri. Il s'est nourri. Nous nous sommes nourris. Vous vous êtes nourris. Ils se sont nourris. Very good job. Now we move to the third group with the verb to know, connaître. So connaître, it is to know someone, to know something with an accent circumflex, you know, the accent like a hat, on the infinitive form and other tenses, but in the passé composé, we won't have this accent circumflex because the participe passé is connu. And the auxiliary is to have, avoir, so connu is going to stay the same, whether it is masculine, feminine, singular or plural. Let's go. Connaître, passé composé. J'ai connu. Tu as connu. Il a connu. Nous avons connu. Vous avez connu. Ils ont connu. Encore une fois. J'ai connu. Tu as connu. Il a connu. Nous avons connu. Vous avez connu. Ils ont connu. Yes, now ensemble, together, my friend. J'ai connu. Tu as connu. Il a connu. Nous avons connu. Vous avez connu. Ils ont connu. Excellent! Very good job. Congratulations, my friends. Repeat again and again. This is how you learn. If you want the slides, they are free of charge for you on the website, frenchwithasmile.net. I am available for one-to-one lessons on Preply. The link is below. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!